What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And today I have for you some potentially decent deals considering the market on power supplies and power supplies. So, right now, the cheapest place to buy server power supplies is eBay. Without a doubt, eBay. The only problem is I've heard some people get, a power supply that doesn't work or a breakout board that doesn't work, but most of the time you're doing pretty good. So parallel miner is not the move on power supplies right now, except I did see this one just popped up. This is not a HP server power supply. This is a lite server power supply, and it really caught my eye because the breakout board, and that's why I'm going to be ordering one. And they have plenty in stock, and if you guys want one too, let me jump on over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well, that's not it. Why does it always reset my display? Hold on. We'll do this live action. Nope, that's not it. There we are. Okay, so it is a lite 750 watt gold rated 92% efficient, and it works on 110 or 240 volt. And the one you want to get is the one with the X11 amp breakout board. Obviously, you can get the better board or the other board that has more plugs on it, but this one reads voltage and amperage, so you can actually see how much power is being pulled through the breakout board and through the power supply. I thought that was really, really cool. You get six plus 2-pin cables, and it comes out to $66. So not the cheapest in the world, but at least you get a little bit of backing. You're buying from a place that has some reputation, and everything that I've ever got from Parallel Miner, sometimes their shipping is a little slow, but the products are always spot on. I think I've had one bad power supply out of maybe the 10 plus that I've had from them. I contacted them, sent them an email over, and they were like, here's a return label, and we'll send you another one. So yeah, really, all in all, I've had really good experiences. So if you do want to get one of these, I do have a link down below in the description, and it does help me if you use the link. So if you don't want to help me, then don't use that link. Just go to parallelminer.com directly. So you know what to do. Now, what is a better buy in my opinion, and I don't know how long these are going to stay up here. Obviously, these have 900 in stock. I don't think they have 900 of these in stock, but if you go to EVGA B-stock, I'll put a link for this down below. I'm not an affiliate with EVGA, unfortunately, so don't worry, this doesn't help me out. But this is the perfect price for this power supply, $69. Anyway, back to being an adult. This is a EVGA 750 watt GQ. This is an 80 plus rated gold power supply, and it's semi-modular. So I don't think it actually says on here, but we can look it up. So we'll look up the EVGA 750 GQ semi-modular. These have quite a few plugs on them for running some graphics cards. These are good power supplies, especially for $69. So here it is, brand new on Amazon. It's $84.99. So buying it on B stock, you're already saving $20. And let's see what kind of plugs it comes with. So it looks like it comes with CPU, 1, 2, 3, 4 VGA plugs, and I'm pretty sure you can split these. Yeah, you can split each one of these, so you could have 8 VGA outputs off of this one. And that's for another video. Anyway, I found like an adapter that it's almost like one of these. Hold on, let's see here. One of these, except it's got a plug coming out of it, and it's got an on switch, and then it's got 2 more VGA plugs, so you can like make a lot more use out of a 24 pin. I have one of those coming in. I want to review it before I recommend it, but I have run these EVGA power supplies before, and I am actually running some EVGA power supplies. I definitely recommend them. This one's got 1800 ratings, and it's a 4.5 star, so solid power supplies. They do have a bunch more on here, but they start to get a little bit more pricey, and it looks like for the quality and the wattage, this was the best value. So I'll put those links down below. I don't want to waste any more of your guys' time. I've been making a lot of progress in the garage. If you can't tell, I started doing a lot more organizing, putting some trash away, all that kind of stuff. This table is actually going to be getting out of here. I gave it to one of the guys I work with. So That way I don't end up just piling junk on it. And I'm going to have me a smaller table that's going to go right there just for doing small projects. Otherwise, I should be able to just use my workbenches. And if you didn't notice, my Honda Civic is in the background. I do have a car channel, and I just uploaded a video on there today. So if you want to check that video, my car channel's link is down below in the description. Come here, Simba. Hold on, come here. Don't touch my keyboard. So my car channel's link is down below in the description, and we're basically going to be semi-restoring that Civic. And I know it sounds horrible. It's like, it's a Civic. Why? But that one is a motor-swapped Civic, and we do have a turbo on it, and it's just a little fun car. But we're going to do wheels, tires, suspension, a couple body panels need addressing, and then get it painted afterwards. So if you like that kind of stuff, come check it out. If you don't, I completely understand. But yeah, so it's going to be full steam ahead in here, ladies and gentlemen. But with that being said, I'm going to sign off because this cat is needing some attention. So I'm going to tend to the old Simba. All right, come back over here. Come over here. Jump, jump. Can you jump? There you go. Good boy. Oh, and he comes back. All right, guys. Hope you like the new background. There's going to be more stuff going on with cars and back there, so you know, it's the background's going to be forever changing. Anyway, later. See you on the next one. Adios. Bye. Oh, and if you end up buying one of these, comment down below and let me know. Just be like, yo, bro, you hook me up, bro. Or, nah, man, I ain't buying that BS, man. Get that out of here, man. I ain't buying that stuff. You know what I'm saying? All right. Later.